There's a TikTok account getting millions of views with a brand new type of AI content. This trend is going to be huge in 2025, and the best part? It's still early, which means this is your chance to go viral before everyone else jumps on it. All of these videos are completely faceless and take just a few minutes to make. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create them step by step for TikTok and YouTube. So, what kind of content is this? It's simple. It shows how much money different jobs make. For example, this account got over 16.2 million views on a single video, and they didn't even record anything themselves. That means this niche is already proven to work. So, let's go ahead and create our own viral video. First, we need ideas. Open ChatGPT and ask for 15 different job titles. Make sure to get a mix of jobs from different industries, like police officer, nurse, construction worker, delivery driver, and even pro athletes like Ronaldo. Once you have your list, ask ChatGPT to describe the typical environment for each job. For example, if we're making a video about an NBA player, the description might include a basketball court, a crowd of fans, and the player wearing a jersey. If it's a delivery driver, it might include a van, packages, and a city background. These descriptions are important because they'll help us create realistic images for our video. The original account we looked at didn't use images, but we're going to take things up a notch by adding visuals to make our content even better. Now, let's generate an image to use in our video. To do this, we'll use an AI tool called Leonardo. First, open Leonardo and go to the image creation section. Then, select Leonardo Phoenix for high-quality images. Set the image quality to the highest setting. Adjust the dimensions to TikTok's vertical format. Copy the job description from ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo, and click Generate. It might take a few seconds, but once it's done, you'll have an amazing AI-generated image that fits the job perfectly. For example, here we have LeBron James playing basketball, which will instantly grab attention. Next, we need a background video. Since we can't get actual footage from a pro athlete's point of view, we'll use basketball gameplay footage instead. Go to YouTube and search for basketball POV. Find a video that looks good and fits the job we're featuring. This will be the background for our video, but we're not stopping there. Because if we just post the background footage, TikTok might flag it as unoriginal. So, we need to add more elements to make it unique. To show how much the worker earns, we're going to add a counting number effect. Head back to YouTube and search for green screen count up. Find one that counts up fast, especially if you're featuring a high-paying job like an NBA player. Download the video, and don't worry if the numbers aren't perfect. If they're slightly off, people will comment about it, which actually boosts engagement. Now, we need a timer to show the countdown. Go to YouTube and search for green screen stopwatch timer. Once you find one you like, download it, and now we have everything we need to start editing. Now, open CapCut and import everything. Drag in the AI-generated image and background video, then resize and crop the video for a better fit. Add a simple animation to the image so it moves slightly. This makes the video more engaging. You can also add a smooth transition between the image and video to make it flow nicely. Now, let's add the money counter. First, import the green screen count-up video, then use the Remove Background tool to erase the green. Move the numbers to the top right corner and add a $sign next to it using CapCut's text tool. Next, let's add the stopwatch. Place it in the top right corner and make sure it lasts for a full minute. If you want, you can add keyframe animations so it moves smoothly across the screen. Now that everything is done, export your video and post it on TikTok and YouTube. If you want more help growing your account, click the link in the description to get a free TikTok automation guide, and I'll see you in the next video.